was quite difficult, and you came across a few questions which you really didn't know the answer to. So you just digged into your imagination and just wrote down whatever you thought could be right. I have been through that many times. But today we are going to be looking through people who took it to the next level. Hi, my name is Sana. Today we are going to do test answers that were so wrong that they had to be right. So basically, I found these really funny wrong answers or wrong answers that kids put down in exams, and I just thought they were so hilarious. I wanted to share them with you. We're gonna move on to the first one. Ask a question and you shall receive an answer. This kid told the truth and that can't possibly be wrong. So the questions were the difference between 180 and 58. And he guessed 22, which is obviously right. But then there was another question. Explain how you found your answer in problem 4. And he gave the response math. Of course, it is probably not the answer the teachers were looking for, but if I was a teacher, I would give him a good tick for imaginations because that was pretty good answer. That was a good answer. This one is super funny. I actually looked at that one right before I started this video, and it says, Hope is pretty smart. She knows how to follow directions exactly. So this is Hope. Her name is Hope, and this is her exam paper. Name the quadrilateral, and and yeah, she literally named them different names. So Bob, Sam, Teddyson, Kate, and Harry. I mean, it's really funny. Like, I would have never thought of these answers as a kid. I wouldn't even be able to come up with those things. I would sit there for hours just trying to name all those squares and all whatever they are. This one, number 3, if you ask a kid a question, you shall most likely get a true answer. It's not wrong. Okay, so find the difference between 8 and 6. 8 is all curly, 6 is not. You know, it is a good answer. I mean, of course, if I did it, I would probably say, oh, 2 is the difference. But, I mean, this answer is also correct. I wonder if he passed on this paper or not. I would like to know. This kid's parent taught them well. Who wouldn't follow this formula? If thing 1 and thing 2 came to my house, I would whack them with a baseball bat, then I would smack them again, then I would call the cops. Bye, Ava. That's nice. That's a good answer, guys. If someone ever breaks into your house, whack them with the baseball bat, and then smack them again, and then call the cops, okay? Survival, huh? Survival. Some teachers don't think when they put together a test. This one was called out by a kid. About how old is your grandfather? 50, 5, or 500? This kid actually wrote in a 4th answer, which is dead, which is really sad. I'm sorry to hear about that, but it was also a really funny answer. I mean, that teacher must feel so bad after. She even put sorry here. Did she give him a C? I don't really know. I don't know what that sign means. Writing to explain. Jeff is very tall. Robin guessed that his height is about 6 feet. Ralph guessed Jeff's height is about 6 yards. Could both Robin and Ralph be correct? Explain. Maybe, because I have not seen Jeff. Oh my god. These kids are geniuses. Like, next level. I could never come up with these answers. I wish I could. Sometimes the teacher is outsmarted by the student. This is a perfect example. So, draw what comes before brushing teeth. And that is just him sitting on the toilet. I don't really know what else he was supposed to draw. Do you guys know? I don't know if I just don't know how to think right now, but I would never know what to draw. These are some difficult questions. There is an angle that is complementary, just like the teacher requested. Name the angle complementary to BDC. And the student just wrote, you look much thinner from over here. Oh my god. Math test. Bob has 36 candy bars. He eats 29. What does he have now? Oh my god. This is terrible. They answered diabetes. Bob has diabetes. I don't know if I feel really bad for laughing, but that was really funny. I feel so bad right now. Even kids have a good sense of humor. This teacher found one in their classroom. Are you childish? He said no, and he literally like drew a house out of the box. That's pretty funny. Are you stupid? He circled a no a lot. Are you paranoid? No. Why? Are you racist? No. Are you drunk? He put all the crosses outside of the box. Oh my god. Do you do drugs? No. Okay, yeah, he does get a A+ for creativity. Sounds like this kid has the type of parents that believe in tough love. We all have heard of this one before. Fill in the solutions, directions, read each of the problems and come up with a solution for each one. Problem: you fell on the playground and scratched your knee. Solution: get up and deal with it. Oh my god, I would probably just cry if I was younger and I fell onto the ground. I wouldn't just get up and deal with it. I would make a deal out of it. Come up with an equation that is true when x equals 7. Be creative. You can make the equation as simple or complex as you want. And he literally just put x equals 7, which is like, it's correct. I mean, he's not wrong. He just came up with a really simple equation. He was just copying the one in the question. So yeah, I would give him a tick for that. Sometimes you'll run across a kid who knows they're smart. Here is one right here, and they aren't afraid to share it. So, how many days in a week? 7. How many months in a year? 12. Is this number even or odd? Even. How do you know? Because I'm smart. Oh, because the number in the ones place is even. Oh, they actually marked it wrong. How? Come on, it was correct. Must be pretty smart to know those questions, huh? To know the answers to those questions. Draw a plant cell and identify its most important parts. So they literally drew a cell with a plant in it, and the most important parts were no windows and iron bars. Oh my god, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more things like these, whatever I was doing, looking up funny stuff on the internet and posting it here on my YouTube channel, make sure to leave a thumbs up on this video. Thank you guys so much for all your support. I love you guys so much. Bye!